Welcome friends to our YouTube channel. So let's start superlatives in India. First, the highest peak in India, Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters, Sikkim. The highest dam in India, Tihri Dam, height 260 meters in Bhagirathi River, Uttarakhand. The longest dam in India, Hirakud Dam, 25.79 km in Mahanadi River, Odisha. The longest road tunnel in India, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel, length 9.28 km, Jammu and Kashmir. The largest cricket stadium in India, Narendra Modi Stadium, seating capacity of 1,32,000, Gujarat. The largest freshwater lake in India, Vular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. The largest lake in India, Vembanad Lake, area 2033 km, length 96.5 km, Kerala. The largest desert in India, Thar, Rajasthan. The tallest statue of world and India is Statue of Unity, height 182 meters, Gujarat. The largest state by population in India, Uttar Pradesh, 2011 census 19.98 crores. The highest civilian award in India, Bharat Ratna. The highest gallantry award in India, Param Veer Chakra. The longest sea beach in India, Marina Beach, length 13 km, Chennai. The largest district in India, Kutch district, area 45,674 square kilometer, Gujarat. The deepest river valley in India, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. The largest river without delta in India, Narmada. The biggest river island in India, Majuli, Brahmaputra River, Assam. The longest river in India, Ganga, 2,525 kilometers. The longest railway platform in India, Gorakhpur, 1,366 meters, Uttar Pradesh. The longest national highway in India, NH44, 3,745 kilometers, Srinagar to Kanyakumari. The state with longest coastline in India, Gujarat. The largest saline water lake in India, Chilka Lake, Odisha. The longest tributary river in India, Yamuna River. The largest forest cover state in India, Madhya Pradesh, 77,522 square kilometer. The largest state in India, Rajasthan. The smallest state in India? Goa. The largest fort in India? Chittorgarh Fort, area 280 hectare, Rajasthan. The largest delta in India? The Ganges Brahmaputra Delta, Sundarbans, West Bengal. The largest cave temple in India? Kailash Temple, Ellora, Maharashtra. The longest river of southern India? Godavari River. The largest museum in India? The Indian Museum, Kolkata, West Bengal. The highest airport in India? Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport, 3256 meter, Ladakh. The longest bridge in India? Bhupen Hazarika Setu, Dhola Sadia Bridge, 9.15 kilometers, Assam. The highest rainfall in India? Masimram, Meghalaya. The longest cave in India? Cream Liat Praha, 30 km, Meghalaya. The longest canal in India? Indira Gandhi Canal, length 650 km, Rajasthan. The largest mosque in India? Taj Al Masjid, 2.50 lakh square feet, capacity 1.75 lakh, Madhya Pradesh. The oldest church in India? St. Thomas Church at Palayur, established 52 AD, Thrissur, Kerala. The largest dome in India? Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur, Karnataka. The largest Gurudwara in India? Sri Harminder Sahib Golden Temple, Amritsar, Punjab. The fastest train in India? Vande Bharat Express, speed 180 km per hour, running between New Delhi, Varanasi. The highest gateway in India? Buland Darwaza, Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, if you like our video, please like, share and thanks for watching.